It's the frigid third day of 2016. We decide to brave the cold and catch some trains. We are along BNSF's Thayer North Subdivision, a heavy tonnage main line linking Springfield, Missouri and Memphis, Tennessee. Standing in Springfield along the Cherry Street grade crossing, we wait for our first train to blast through. A GEVO and an SD-70 Ace head up this southbound coal train. This train is headed for the Robert Schurer Power Plant beyond Memphis near Macon, Georgia. Pushing from behind, an SD-70 Ace, an SD-70M in BNSF's original paint, and a GEVO. Earlier on, we captured this northbound freight making a dramatic entrance around the sweeping curve at Cherry Street. This several-mile section of the main line is known as the East Belt. It was built by Burlington Northern predecessor Frisco back in the 1960s to bypass downtown Springfield. Later in the day, another coal train. Its SD-70 Ace units roaring as they lift the train out of town. This train is headed for a power plant in Sikeston, Missouri, several hundred miles east of here. It'll head straight south into Arkansas here on the Thayer Sub, then back north into Missouri and the city of Sikeston along BNSF's River Subdivision. Two SD-70 Aces bracketing a GEVO are the distributed power units on this run, needed for the steep grades ahead. With our good light disappearing with the setting winter sun and dropping temperatures, we decide it's about time to pack up our gear until next time.